solved by the word.
Maswala haya yatasuluhishwa tu na neno.
And what we should do is to have a page, to have a wall where we post all our issues. And it's the work of the minister to sort out and answer those questions from the scripture.
Amen.
For now, let us sing that song.
Unanswered questions at times have questioned my faith.
Could the singer stand and we sing together?
Pieces to puzzles I never could fit into place. But a voice deep within says, "Child, trust me and be of good cheer. For heaven waits to explain it and make it all clear." Heaven holds all the secrets that we'll never know till we're there. All the reasons for all of our trials, burdens and cares. Ooh, in the presence of Jesus we'll know and understand well. Heaven holds all the secrets that time will never tell. There are doors that won't open, storms and painful goodbyes. They fill my mind with confusion, my mouth with the words, "Dear Lord, why?" Lo, but he whispers, "My child, hold my hand and keep following me. Someday heaven will focus the picture that now you can see." Heaven holds all the secrets that we'll never know till we're there. All the reasons for all of our trials and burdens and cares. Ooh, in the presence of Jesus we'll know and understand well. Heaven holds all the secrets that time will never tell.
Give us the first answer once more, we didn't sing it.
There are unanswered questions at times. I've questioned my faith. There were pieces to puzzles I never could fit into place. But a voice deep within says, "Child, trust me and be of good cheer. For heaven waits to explain it, make it all clear." Heaven holds all the secrets that we'll never know till we're there. All the reasons for all of our trials, burdens and cares. Ooh, in the presence of Jesus we'll know and understand well. Heaven holds all the secrets that time will never tell. Heaven holds all the secrets that we'll never know till we're there. All the reasons for all of our trials, burdens
few minutes as I come to the cross, I want to speak on how do I find God's purpose.